So guys, we've just arrived at Adarsh's house and we're ready to pick him up for his formal. Apparently last year's one was cancelled because of COVID, so they've moved it to this year. Now I've never met this guy, but he's been watching some of my videos. He also watches Jay's stories as well, and he's a follower of Jay. So what actually happened was Adarsh messaged Jay and was like, hey, you know, can you take me to my formal? However, Jay is currently at work at the moment, and they've never met, mind you. But yeah, Jay hit me up and he's like, hey Jay, you know, I'm working on this day. Can you take this guy to his formal in my car? It'll be sick. And so here I am today now at Adarsh's place, and I'm just waiting for him to get ready, and then we're gonna cruise down to his formal, and hopefully like it makes an entrance. As I was driving here, I had so many people like, so I had the window down, right, and I was cruising along, arm up, you know, being super chilled, yada yada yada, and these guys were driving past and like, sick car, I love it, you know, and they're like, I love it, and like me, I'm just like, oh, it's not mine. Huh? Wait, look at that watch. Hey, this guy. Hey, sick cards.
I'll stop you. I'll stop you. I'll give you a vape for that.
Sick card. Yeah, totally, bro. I'd totally swap this for a vape. And then it got to a point where I was just like, oh, thank you. Because I didn't want to keep explaining that the car wasn't mine. So that was pretty funny. But this car creates and generates just so much attention, like the amount of yeah, and just the amount of audience that it grasps just from the visuals of this beautiful and wonderful designed car just draws so much attention. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Surprisingly, this vehicle was actually, all the bodywork was done by Yem Motortech, so they managed to do something right at least. I'll give them credit for that. Maybe their bodywork is good, but their motors are questionable.
What do I say?
Nothing, bro. Just whatever.
I don't know what to say though.
Hey bro, it's AJ. How's it going, man? Nice to meet you, dude. What's your name?
Adarsh. I run Defect Media on Instagram.
Oh, alright, gone for the plug straight out. This guy. Holy shit. So what's the occasion tonight?
Today's my year 11 formal. Yeah,
that's
kind of
cute.
excited. We got AJ and he took out Jay's car.
That's it. That's me, bro. That's me. Well, you're looking hella fresh. So how did this even come to light, bro? Like, how did this all happen? Because Jay just said, hey AJ, some guy wants to take out my car, you know, take me out to a formal. Like, what is the situation?
So basically it's formal this year.
Yeah.
And what happened was, I think Jay had stories up and he was like, or like some shit about formal run, and he was like, if you want me to do a formal run, message me. And come on, look at this thing. It's like one of the best cars in like Melbourne, let's be honest.
What's the fastest car you've been in, bro?
Fastest car I've been in was probably like a 700 horsepower Barra. It's got a power glide and stuff. Yeah, Barra FG.
Oh, so this is you got some competition here. Hopefully, maybe this might be the faster car. Yeah, I think there's 800 horsepower, but it doesn't even put it to the road. It literally just slides everywhere. Yeah. Oh well, I was hoping for a good reaction, but this guy's already experienced. God damn, how old are you?
I'm 16. Actually, no, I turned 17 2 days ago.
Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday, man.
I'm 17, you know? Just turned 17 2 days ago.
Nice. So is this like your dream car or something? Or what's your dream car?
I mean, I want to get a Skyline, Chaser, or SILVIA, but all three these days, they're expensive as, man. They're so expensive. They're like, what, over 40k for like a clean one, you reckon? Yeah.
Yeah, they're so expensive, dude. They're so expensive.
Even to build it like this, like, you know, stands out, the Workmeister's running negative camber. He's got the engine fully built as well, making good power.
So what?
He's lucky
Did you just find Jay on Instagram or like?
I've been following Jay for a long time, like,
Oh yeah.
before status, like maybe like when his engine was getting built, and that's when he had like the carbon cover on the engine, so it was like a while
Oh,
back.
that is a while ago.
Yeah.
Hey.
When he had his Klugazer daily, like a while back, a while back. Now he's a different thing now. You know, he has the RS3 for the daily now. Yeah, I've been following this car for a long time. It's always been like up there. I never thought I would get a ride in it. But look, here I am today.
There you are, bro. All you had to do was ask him.
Yeah,
You know what I
it's
mean?
pretty crazy, yeah.
Wait. So do you know who I am at least?
Yeah, I do. I know you're mates with Rex. I'm good mates with Rex.
Oh yeah. Oh, you know Rex.
Yeah.
Oh, how do you know Rex?
Oh, basically, I've been watching his videos for a long time, and then just like shot me sitting down the road. He was there.
Yeah.
Talked to him, and he's like, "I'll take you for a ride, mate." But we did a bit of like, we went to Mexico, you know, clutch kicked a fair bit.
We're going to Mexico too. We got 2 direct flights to Mexico.
Yeah, there and back's pretty good. Yeah, it's looking good.
Sweet. All right, we're gonna go on our way now. We're gonna go for a cruise. And I'm gonna drive him to his formal, and hopefully, like, we can get some good reacts as well. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Hey, so we're now into the car together. We're dropping him off. We got his mate in the back, but he wants to stay under the wraps kind of thing. So you can probably hear him shout and scream like a little girl if it's his first time in a fast car. So. So what? You probably followed Clay as well?
Yeah,
You know Clay?
yeah. I've been like, I think it was in year 8. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I started following Clay, I think and then I messaged him on Instagram, and he's like, because I used to fanboy over Clay like crazy. I messaged him, and then like, when I was like 14, yeah, like 3 years ago, and I used to be like, hey bro, I love you, like, I love what you do for a living and everything.
Oh really? Which way?
And
That's
he's like,
alright.
left.
Yeah?
And he's like, oh, I like, that was when he used to like flip shoes and stuff.
Oh really?
Yeah, it was a while back.
Can I gap it here?
Yeah, if there's nothing behind, no cops or anything, it should be fine now. Did that scare you?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, I've driven this.
Supra? It's close to the Supra. Does the Supra feel similar to this or?
Huh?
Supra?
Yeah, kinda. I mean, I haven't driven the Supra in like 2
So
years, bro.
long,
A
yeah.
year, yeah. It's been ages, man. So, yeah, it's kind of like, I can't remember what my Supra's like to drive. Soon though.
How much is the S15? Is it mostly stock?
My S15's pretty
Yeah, because
stock,
I've seen your S15 in like Clay's recent videos. Like when he got his S15 and you guys went out together. I think.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, he's got an S15, I got an S15.
Yeah. I wanted an S15 back when they were like 20k. Now they're like what, quadruple the price nearly,
Dude, 2 years ago,
Yeah.
I banked on him going up. I'm
Just
like,
before they went off,
yeah, and I knew that the last
Yeah,
one
this
I
is a
got
good
was
road.
like the very, very last. Huh?
The road here is good.
Yeah? Alright. There's too many cars,
Yeah.
bro.
Maybe slow down a bit. Let them go maybe. Oh, there is someone behind us, eh? Holy shit. Was that like shooting flames and shit?
Yeah, bro, that'll be shooting flames. Wait, how do you feel, bro? Oh, it's filming? Is it recording?
No, it's my first time in a car like this. It's cooked. I can smell the ethanol. I'm being pushed back. It's crazy.
Do you like it? Yes, no?
It's sick. It's sick.
It's sick? How would you compare this to a feeling that you felt before?
Oh, literally nothing. This is my first time.
Nothing's felt like this before?
I went on a roller coaster once,
Yeah?
but that's about it. This is crazy. Probably because my parents are such straight drivers as well.
Oh.
Rexy.
Whenever, how did you feel when it went bang bang?
Oh no, I was shitting myself.
Really?
Yeah. It's like an adrenaline dump.
It's good to hear, bro.
Yeah.
It's good to hear. Glad you're having fun, man.
Yeah.
You gonna get a fast car now?
Oh, 100%. After this, yeah, 100%.
Yes, bro. Do it. Send it.
Might as well, eh?
Yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah, right, man.
So we're just pulling up now to these boys' formals. I gave them a little bit of a joyride in here, and I hope that they thoroughly enjoyed this car. Bro, how did you feel?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah?
My balls, bro, they went back into my stomach when you were sending it. It was just like, oh, bro, it was a different feeling.
Yes, sir.
It's pushing me back in the seat like crazy. It was crazy.
Well, you got to
Don't
do a shout out to Jay Hang.
Yeah, straight up at J.H.N.G, I think it is, eh?
Yeah.
Jay plugged it. Jay letting one of his mates drive his car here, and even like, you know, letting me have this as a ride to formal, because this is a beast of a ride to go to formal, and you reckon? Yeah.
Yeah, this is a beast, bro.
Yeah.
This is gonna be like a forever memory kind of thing, bro.
Up, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Laters, bro. This means heaps.
I got you, bro.
Shout out to Jay.
Yep, shout out to Jay.
Appreciate it.
Harry.
Yeah. Thanks.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Adarsh?
Crazy,
It's Adarsh.
Yeah, that's it.
Man.
Appreciate it heaps. Means heaps, man.
Nah, it's all good, man. Hope you have a good night. Enjoy. That was actually really, really heart touching. And they were like, you know, thanks heaps. We really appreciate it. You know, this is like an experience that, you know, means a lot to them. And it was just such a sweet kind of moment then. And like, it was just nice to do that for someone who is really, you know, who really loves the car culture and the community. And I can't believe Jay as well was like so generous as well to let this happen tonight. Yeah, it was really heartwarming, and I'm kind of like, I didn't do this for myself or anything. It was just for the fun shits and gigs, you know, to really help someone out in the car community. And it felt really good. Like, it felt really good. And I'm really touched that this was like a special moment for them. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. It felt very special to me as well, that I was able to make someone's moment so special as well. And I guess I'll just see you guys next video. So peace out.